Hi, welcome back to 8482 Media. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to use the curvature tool and how that differs from the pen tool. I actually use the curvature tool a lot more than the pen tool. It is an easier tool for curves and just it helps you out a lot more. You'll see why. So we're going to use the same example. And you'll see it'll actually be quicker to do most of these. So let's get started. So the curvature tool is right under the pen tool. You can see it has a little line like it's curving. The shortcut, in my case, is Shift apostrophe. And to use the curvature tool, so different from the pen tool, you don't, if you want to do a curve, so you click here in your starting point, and you see you don't have to click and drag because it'll automatically curve. It creates automatic curves for you. Now the only point that's a little bit annoying is, you see I want to end here, but it creates just a larger curve area. It affects the other shape, the other segment. So what I do a lot of times, I'm just going to do Control Z here, is that I click right before the finish point, and then I do A, and I just link up, I just link up the two last anchor points, and then I can just smooth that out later. Whoops. Similar to the pen tool, I'm going to start a little bit outside, not on top of the anchor point, just a little bit outside of it, and then just click. You want to try and do the least amount of anchor points possible. As you saw right there, I tried finishing up right on this anchor point. So with the pen tool, you're able to do that, but with the curvature tool, you're not. You see, it actually wants to start on the path again. So what I actually have to do is that I have to end also outside of that path and then do A and put it back manually on top. So that is a bit of a kink with the curvature tool. But as you can see, it is much easier to draw with. The only part is really connecting. You see, I'm trying to do here, but it wants to connect to that path. So that is the only thing. So that's why sometimes I actually do a mix of curvature and pen tool. For example, I'd say for these lashes, it would probably be easier to use the pen tool, just because then you can just directly go to the path and you don't have to go back with the direct selection tool, because I'm gonna need to edit that again and put it directly on the path. So now I'm gonna use the direct selection tool, and I'm gonna move the path, extend the path onto the eyelid. But so it's a little bit more manual work. So I mean, it depends really what you prefer doing. There you go. So let's go ahead and untoggle And we have our eye. Thank you so much for watching this quick tutorial. I hope that this helped you out, and if you have any more questions or any feedback, please place them below. Be sure to subscribe to 8482 to stay updated with the tutorials that we'll be making. And also, if you have any suggestions for future tutorials, please feel free to comment them. Have a great day.